How to add LUT in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, make sure you have got DaVinci Resolve open and the project ready. To add a LUT, go to the color workspace at the bottom of your screen. Now, on the left side, you will see a panel that says LUT. This is where all your LUTs are stored. If you don't see the panel, click on the LUTs tab at the top. Once you are in the LUT panel, you can choose from the default LUTs or import your own. To import a LUT, right-click on the LUTs section and select Open File Location. This will open a folder on your computer where you can paste your custom LUT files. After adding them, go back to DaVinci Resolve and click Refresh, so your LUTs appear in the panel. Next, to apply a LUT, simply drag and drop it onto the clip in your timeline. Once you apply it, you will see the color change immediately on your video. And that's it. Now you know how to add LUT in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.